I just want to do a haul for you guys today. I'm actually collaborating with TKB Trading. They sent me all kinds of stuff to share with you guys, and of course I'm going to be doing some recipes with this stuff later on. So if you see anything that interests you, let me know and, be like, hey, do a recipe with that thing. So yeah. Anyways, so if you don't know what TKB Trading is, they sell all kinds of stuff to make different kinds of cosmetics. So I think the most popular thing would be lip glosses. They also sell things to make like eyeshadows, highlighters, even nail polish. Go check them out. I'll have their website linked down below at tkbtrading.com. So let's just get into it so you guys can see what I got. Alright, so the first thing I see is an infrared thermometer. So they specifically asked if they could send me this, and I'm like, heck yeah, of course. Ooh, you know what I really like about this one? So I already have a thermometer, but this one's a lot smaller. Here's a little close-up shot of her, and then of course it comes with a battery, and then your little directions. But these are really super easy to work. Just throw the battery in and I'm sure you guys can figure it out. And I'll have all this stuff linked down below too, so if you guys want to purchase any of it. You know what? I'm actually just gonna pour all this out. Whoa. Holy crap. This is way more stuff than I expected. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is what caught my eye. This I'm super, super interested in. So this is a Blueberries and Cream Depolatory Hard Wax. So this is essentially, to wax body hair. You can also use it on your face. When they asked to send me this, I'm just like, holy crap, I've actually been wanting to, for years, purchase like a little wax kit to help wax my eyebrows, but you can use it on your body as well. But let me know if you want to see me use this. Okay, so they provide jumbo popsicle sticks to apply that to your body. And then here's the hard wax. So this next thing is a mini make your own lip gloss kit. So if you're wanting to get into making lip glosses, this is probably a good way to start. So let's see what we have in the mini lip gloss kit. Oh look, it comes in a cute little bag. Oh, that's super adorable. So first off, we have the TKB gloss base. This is, as the name says, the base for your lip gloss. And I'll do a whole tutorial on how to do this. And then we got some pipettes. And then they included a vanilla flavor oil. And then it includes a whole bunch of lip liquid colors. So we've got Yummy Pink, which looks like a super cute color. Love pink. We've got Perky Pink, Tickled Peach. This is so cute. And then we've got a white pigment and then chocolate brown. So this is really perfect for people just trying to get into lip gloss making. And then here's just a little bit of directions that's talking about how you can just mix the lip liquids in with the TKB gloss base until you achieve your desired opacity, as much or as little as you desire. And then additional cosmetic pigments and flavor oils may be added as well. And then it includes a whole bunch of these little squeeze tube lip gloss tubes. And then in here you have your little syringes, so that'll make it easier to get your lip gloss into your tubes. And isn't that just perfect? A little lip gloss kit. Oh my gosh, here is another giant thing of lip gloss base. Holy crap, I have all the lip gloss base in the world. I want to see if this is the same lip gloss base as this. Let's look at the ingredients. Yep, these are exactly the same. So you can buy the lip gloss kit, which comes with the lip gloss base, or you can just buy the lip gloss base on its own and then, purchase the colors that you want. So I can just be making all the lip glosses. Whatever color you want, I got you, girl. Any shade. So let's take a look at all of these that they sent. I don't even know where to start. Where do I start? Let's start with this little baggie. All right, so in this bag, we've got some more Tickled Peach. This color is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. And then we've got some more white pigments. And here we've got, this is white pearl pigment. We've got black pearl, gold pearl, bronze pearl, copper pearl. And then the last bag, we've got, the name of this one cracks me up, Log Cabin. Love that. And then we've got a chocolate brown, roasted chestnut, Yummy Pink, which I believe came in the lip gloss kits, and then Perky Pink. This one's super pretty. Love pinks. Oh gosh, I just have every color in the world now. Just let me know what shades do you guys want me to make lip glosses of. Obviously, you guys know I'm gonna pick some of the pinks for sure. So other than that, what other colors do you guys want to see? Okay, then lastly, in this bag here, let's take a look at what we got. Oh my gosh, okay, they told me about this shade. This is Fantastic Fuchsia. It's like a powder pigment, but Obviously, I'll link this down below along with everything else, but this color is just gorgeous. Ooh, and this is Pearl Basics and then Jill, and these will add sort of like a shimmer to your lip products. Definitely want to make a lip product with this. This is gonna be popping. Yeah, that's everything they sent me. Super excited to get to making some things, but yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. I'll have everything linked down below. Whatever you're interested in, links below. And thank you so much, TKB Trading, for sending me all this stuff. It's been great working with you guys. You guys are so freaking sweet. Like, seriously, go check them out, because I actually contacted them first just asking a question about their products. And they're so sweet and like quick to responding. And then, of course, they seen that I had a YouTube channel and they're like, hey, can we send you stuff? And I'm like, yes. Thank you. So yeah, everything will be linked down below. Let me know what you guys want to see me formulate with first, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Later. Stardust Bath & Body, Nature's Farm Girl, Kennedy's Essentials, Let's Blend, Wallflower Wildflower, Heartfelt Beauty, KAJ Bath & Body, Blue Mint Soaps, Salt Air Label, Lenny's Beauty, Shark City Naturals, Ohana Lay, Danny Botanicals, Pimpy Girl, Brie Maquillage, Alchemy and Clay, Bible Belt Boutique, London Latris, Naturally Flawless, Facial Daily Rituals, Your Spiritual Midwife 333, ShopLevies.com, Paige Murray Hair Care, and Holistic Products by Black Soul. Also, I sell skincare products myself over on Etsy. I'll link my Etsy shop down below, along with all my patrons.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time, like I'm I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen, because I've had a vision. Now I'm on a mission to find myself